Respectable audience, my question is 5 minus 3 times 5 minus 3 times 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here is no sign, so we have to put multiplication sign. 5 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And it is 5 minus 3, it is also equal to 2. 4 times 2, it will be equal to 8. But 8 is not correct answer. So how we have to solve it correctly? First of all, we have to solve this parenthesis according to PEMDAS principle. So 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2 times 5 minus 3. It is also parenthesis, so 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2. Now, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve multiplication and move from left to right. So 2 times 5 will be equal to 10. 10 minus 3 times 2. Now 10 minus 3 is wrong because first of all, we have to multiply. So we will get 10 minus 3 times 2 will be equal to 6. And 10 minus 6 is now simple. It is equal to 4. And 4 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.